Mina laga kira mapulani babela. Mishimana wajwango lege wa vitari kama masimula kwa askuku ni mishimani yasi. Kwa askuku na pato wale wale kidula mo auten la Soweto. Tabile kuru joina le hotel la commerce ke na wale. Le tantusha ubushisha sejo sa watu bawa loro watu bawa wapila kaburi bana baba zibe kuoma wale na watu walumo. In short, what I just said, my name is Patrick Babela. I come from the place called Amasimras in Sukuleland, but now I'm staying here in Soweto. I'm very happy to be here and to be part of this group of commercial. I think and hope this group will help me to know the other people's culture. In short, yes. Thank you very much.